Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Valley National Bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Valley National Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings menu, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include text message, email, or an authentication app. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After selecting your method, follow the prompts to enter your contact information and verify it. Once confirmed, activate the two-factor authentication feature to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Valley National Bank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.